Thank you, Ricardo. To get to the Gini coefficient, first we must construct the Lorenz curve, which measures the income distribution in the economy. To do so, we plot the percentage of total income on the vertical axis and the percentage of households on the horizontal one. We divide both axes into quantiles, which measures income distribution from poorest to richest households right here. This 45-degree line represents an economy where everyone in the population earns the same amount of income. We call this line the line of perfect equality, although in reality it is impossible to reach perfect equality. Now let's plot the income distribution data for the United States in 2009, which would look something like this, representing a Lorenz curve. The further away the Lorenz curve extends from the line of perfect equality, the more inequality we have in the economy. But now let's say we want a numerical representation of this area between the two lines in order to compare the degree of inequality between two economies. That's where the Gini coefficient comes in handy. It summarizes the degree of income inequality based on the size of the Lorenz curve. It has a maximum value of 1, which is reached when the Lorenz curve extends to include both areas A and B fully. On the other hand, its lowest value is 0, which is the Gini coefficient of the line of perfect equality. The simplest way to finding the value of the Gini coefficient is by dividing the area A by the sum of both areas A and B. We can find the area B by dividing the area under the Lorenz curve into rectangles and triangles and calculating their values using simple geometry. Once we've done so, we subtract the area A plus B, which we already know has a value of 0.5, by the area B in order to find the area A. We plug in our numbers into the formula in order to find our Gini coefficient, which in this case has a value of 0.43. Now that we've established an understanding of how income inequality is measured, Adrian and Joey will explain to us the effect of income inequality on economic growth.